Hey guys, today I will show you how to add the MetaMask extension to the Kiwi browser. So first what you need to do is download the Kiwi browser from the Play Store. Once installed, open it and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, select Extensions. On the Extensions page, tap on From Store. This will open up the Chrome Web Store inside Kiwi. Now go to the search bar at the top left and type in MetaMask. Once the results appear, find the MetaMask extension and tap on it. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Even though this is Kiwi Browser, the button will say Add to Chrome. Confirm by pressing OK and the installation process will begin. Wait a few moments until MetaMask is added successfully to Kiwi. After it's installed, open MetaMask. You'll see two options: Import Wallet or Create a Wallet. If you already have a MetaMask, select Import Wallet, agree to the terms, and then enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Create and confirm a password for use in Kiwi, then tap Import. Once done, you'll get a confirmation that your wallet was successfully imported. Tap Got It, then finish the setup by tapping Next and Done. If you want to create a new wallet instead, tap Create a Wallet, agree to the terms, and set a new password. MetaMask will then give you a new secret recovery phrase. Make sure to write it down and keep it safe. Confirm it and your new wallet will be ready to use. To check if MetaMask was added properly, tap on the extensions menu in Kiwi and you'll see MetaMask listed there. Thanks for watching.